Get excited, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. The Colleton County Memorial Library presents Storytime with Miss Sheila.
Come on everybody, friends one and all, let's come together, let's break down those walls. We're gonna listen and we're gonna learn, having fun all the way. Somebody said, let's listen and learn together. Let's sing and learn forever. Let's listen and learn together. Let's sing and learn forever. Let's listen, learn together. Let's listen, learn forever. Let's read and learn. Hi, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. It's November and it is cooking time. We're excited. We're going to make lemonade. We're going to make a delicious sandwich. We're going to make carrot salad, my favorite. And we're going to make banana pudding. Yes, we're going to have several children come and help me in our makeshift kitchen. And we're going to have a special guest. So, come and join us. We're excited. See you then. Hi, boys and girls. It is cooking time. And yes, I'm geared up, but forgot. I have to have my cooking hat. Yes. Oh. Now, I'm in the mood. Hey, I want a little help. Boys and girls, I want to invite a special friend of mine. I'm sure he's a friend of yours too. You want to know who it is? I'll tell you. Oh, Spidey!
Miss Sheila!
Hi there, Spidey!
Hey, how are you doing? I love that hat.
Thank you!
That is a great hat.
Well, Spidey, I am so excited you're here because today we're making sandwiches.
Well, everything looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Would you like to make your favorite sandwich?
I sure would.
Okay, so you see I'm geared up, Spidey.
I see that.
So would you mind putting on our library apron that Miss Sue West gave us?
Oh, sure, by all means.
And it says a book is a good friend. And I'm going to help you, Spidey.
Oh, well, thank you very much. Spiders are our friends.
All right, you're ready.
Yes, ma'am.
So, boys and girls, we have wheat bread and we have white bread.
Certainly do.
We need your help. Which one of us do you think is going to get the white and which one of us is going to get the wheat? Think about it. Okay, Spidey, what is your favorite?
While I do like wheat bread, I certainly like white bread as well. So I'm going to go with the white bread.
Okay, well guess what, Spidey? My favorite bread is wheat. So boys and girls, that's all I eat is wheat bread. So Spidey, we need 2 slices. So you want to go at it? Now boys and girls, when you make your sandwich, it's important to select the right type of bread. Only include the breads that you're going to eat. Some people like sesame seed bread.
They sure do. Like
Yeah.
rye bread as well.
Yeah, rye bread. And some people don't even like bread at all.
Very true.
Yeah. So, now, Spidey, are you going to make the ham sandwich or are you going to make the peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Boys and girls, which one? I have a special type that I like. Spidey has a special type that he likes. Which one are you going to do?
Well,
Do you know? While he's thinking.
Aunt May made me so many peanut butter and jelly sandwiches when I was growing up that, you know, I like them still, but just want to try something different once in a while. So I think today, I'm definitely going with the ham sandwich today.
I was hoping you said that because I'm so much a peanut butter and jelly person. All right, Spidey, let's go at her. You make your ham sandwich while I make my P&J. All right.
Sounds good.
Let's go.
I like that. All right, let's get to making our sandwiches here. And I just want to take a few seconds while Miss Sheila preps her sandwich that nobody seems to appreciate the end pieces anymore. I feel like I'm the only person on this planet, other than the Hulk, because he'll eat anything, that actually eats the end pieces of the bread. Oh, my God.
You know,
Such a shame.
I kind of like it, so I must have some superhuman powers.
You must.
I love it.
Oh, let's see. Go for a couple.
Now, with the peanut butter and jelly, make sure you get just enough jelly, but not too much, to cover your whole bread.
Exactly how Aunt May used to make it.
this particular bread is the best for me because it's supposed to be, and it is, the most healthy.
It is.
Because it's the most pure. It's in this purest form. That's why it's healthy. You see, white bread, it has a lot of preservatives. They have to take out so many nutrients and make it white. So that's why I like the wheat. All right, what you gonna do next?
Well, let's see. I've already got one piece of ham, but I'm not going to try to overload it too much. I'm just going to grab 2 slices of the ham, evenly layered right here on my bread. And then next, my condiment of choice will be the mayonnaise.
Okay.
This is the squeezable kind, a little easier. Just going to take it and have a nice, even spread.
I like it now.
Like so. Now of course, some people will take a knife or spoon and spread it out evenly.
You don't?
No, I don't believe I will today. No.
Who does that? Only Spider-Man. Now, Spider-Man, do you do anything else with your sandwich?
Yes, I do. I certainly love cheese.
Ooh.
Yes. So I definitely like my good old cheddar cheese. Put it right on the other side of the bread.
Now, I have to ask Spider-Man.
Yes.
Now, I've had family members, friends eat sandwiches, but they put the mayonnaise on the bread. I noticed you didn't do that. You put it on the meat.
Well, I guess I'm just one big weirdo, right?
Only Spider-Man. Yeah, so go on.
J. Jonah Jameson calls me a menace for a reason, I guess.
All right, so what else you got?
Well, are you gonna spread your peanut butter
Okay,
first?
well, I'll do my peanut butter if you want me to.
Yeah, go ahead and spread the peanut butter first.
Now, you know, peanut butter is very strong.
Yes.
So you don't want to use too much peanut butter that it is stronger than the jelly.
Yes.
So you want just enough peanut butter that's not going to be overriding your sweet jelly taste.
Definitely half and half.
Yes. Well, I kind of favor the jelly.
I kind of favor the peanut butter, to be honest.
Really?
Yes. Like to eat it on my sandwich. Like to eat it with some crackers.
Okay. So here again, it's just enough. I lay it right on top. There you go. So what you do?
And my final piece de resistance will have to be the lettuce.
Oh, I'll pass it over to you. You mean you don't use the tomatoes?
Spider-Man's not a tomato person.
Oh.
No, I'm sorry. Green Goblin was throwing pumpkins at me one time and accidentally threw a tomato at me as well. And it got all over my suit and I was so mad all day. He threw a tomato at me, turned me off with tomatoes forever.
Oh, bad Green Goblin. Now,
here's the lettuce back.
There you go. And we did rinse the lettuce. Even though lettuce is coming in the packet like this, we do rinse the lettuce and we pre-rinse the lettuce before you put it on your sandwich, okay?
Alrighty, put it right on top of my cheese here.
Okay.
And
here again, no mayo on the lettuce or cheese?
Nope, just right on top of the meat. What was that?
Nothing. Nothing, Spidey.
Right on top.
All right. Wow. Well, boys and girls, there you go. Spider-Man and his ham sandwich and me and my P&J. Hey, but wait a minute. We have to get someone to test us if they like a peanut butter jelly or what you call a ham and cheese sandwich?
Ham and cheese.
All right. Oh, Jason.
Hey, Michelle.
Hey there, Jason.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Hey.
How are you?
Good.
Good seeing you. Hey, you grew a couple inches since I saw you last.
Yes, I have.
Yeah, you have. Well, come here, Jason. What we have is a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, P&J, and a ham sandwich. We want you to guess which one of us, me or Spider-Man, did the peanut butter and jelly or the ham sandwich. Can you guess which one of us did the P&J? Who made that, you think?
I think that Michelle made the wheat bread and jelly sandwich and peanut butter, and Spider-Man made the ham and lettuce and bread and cheese sandwich.
You think?
Yes, ma'am.
You're right! Oh, that's good! Awesome!
Yeah.
How can you tell that I would want a wheat P&J sandwich?
Well, no, Spider-Man would have wanted it. How many times Aunt May made it for him?
That is true.
How does he know about Aunt May?
Well, I gotta tell everybody.
Oh.
Everybody.
Yeah, you are, Spidey. He's friends with everybody.
Of course.
So I can share you. Well, which one would you like to eat if you had the choice?
How many times I've done had ham? I think I'm gonna go with you, Run Jelly.
Oh, really? A boy after my own heart. Thank you, Jason. Boys and girls, hope you eat your P&J and your ham and cheese sandwich. Well, Spidey, it's been such a pleasure having you.
Definitely, it's been a pleasure being here.
Yes, now it's time for us to eat. You know, we got our bottled water, we have our apple, we have our chip, and we have our sandwich. Well, bon appetit. Unless there's something else you want to share with the kids.
No, I believe I'm just ready to dig in. I'm kind of hungry. All that web slinging has gotten me big of an appetite.
Okay, well, let's go.
All right, sounds good.
I love it. P&J never gets old.
Well, you know, that's true, but once in a while, gotta hanker for something different.
Every day we learn something new. It was nice to talk and read to you. Glad that we came together and thankful for your smiling face. We sang, we laughed, we danced, we played. Miss Sheila, so glad you shared your day.